In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy GoChain instantly on Binance. It's up 43% as of the date I'm recording, and I'll show you how you can buy it right now. So like I said, we're going to be using Binance. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description to Binance. Binance is one of the largest crypto exchanges, and you can buy loads of different coins on there. What you need to do is go ahead and make an account. So go ahead and click on the link and sign up for an account. It should be up here, sign up. Once you've signed up, it will take around 30 seconds. You can then go and verify your account. So once you've got your account, log in and then go to your icon here and go to identification. And what we can do now is we can verify our Binance account just so we can start to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. So you can see you need to verify your personal details and your address. This can be done with like a passport or any government issued documents. Again, this will take you around 5 minutes. It's all done over a computer verification. There's no human in the process, so it's not going to take days to do like other exchanges. Now we've done that, we can go and buy some crypto. So if you go to the top left hand corner, you can see the buy crypto tab. You can buy with bank, credit card, P2P trading, cash balance, or a third party payment. Now the most common ones are bank deposit and credit card. Now if you want to buy instantly, you can use credit or debit card, because you'll be able to get the funds into your Binance wallet instantly. But you can use bank transfer, but you just will have to wait 1 to 3 days for the money to go in. So to buy instantly, I would recommend credit and debit card. So once you've clicked on that, it will take you to a page where you can go and buy different cryptocurrencies. So here is that page. You can see right now we're on Bitcoin. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and add a credit or debit card. The button will be down here to just go and add one. So once we've done that, we can now go to coin and you can choose through a variety of different coins. Now, you need to know here that not all of the coins that are available on Binance, you're going to be able to buy through this window. And it just so happens GoChain cannot be bought through this window either. So what we need to do actually, we need to go to trade and we need to go to classic. And what we can do is we can exchange a coin from here that can be bought in this window into Go, and it's very simple, and I'll show you how you can do that. So here on the classic trading tab, you just want to go ahead and do a search for Go, and you can see that Go has a Bitcoin pair, and what that means is you can buy Bitcoin and then trade it for Go. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So if you go to buy and sell and you choose Bitcoin, you can then enter in the amount of Bitcoin you would like to buy. And remember, we're going to exchange this amount here for Go. Once you've typed in the amount, you can then buy Bitcoin, and it will then load up a new window asking you if you're sure. So you can see you're buying Bitcoin at this price. We're going to be paying this much in fees, and in total this much is going to be coming out of our credit card. So once you've done that, just go ahead and click confirm, and Bitcoin will then be in your wallet. Now to check it, go to wallet, fiat and spot. And I didn't buy any Bitcoin just now, so my balance won't be updated. But you'll have $15 in your fiat and spot wallet if it's your first time. I've already got some Bitcoin right here, as you can see. So once the Bitcoin's in your wallet, you want to go to trade. You want to go to classic, which is going to open up this window. Do a search for Go, and then click on the Go to Bitcoin pair. Once you've done that, it's going to load the chart of Go, and you can then scroll down here and just go to market. So we're going to be buying Go at market price here, and it's going to then show you here next to this wallet icon how much Bitcoin you've got, and you can use this slider here to choose how much Bitcoin you want to exchange out of your wallet into Go. So you're buying Go with Bitcoin. Alternatively, you can type out how much Bitcoin here. So if you just bought Bitcoin for the sake of exchanging it for Go, you probably want to use 100% of your Bitcoin balance. Then you will click here where it says buy Go, and you will then receive Go in your wallet. And that's all there is to it, guys. That's how you can buy Go on Binance. I hope that video helped you out. Make sure you do leave a like and comment down below.